Travel to a new destination. Consider visiting a place you've never been before. Whether it's a city in a different country or a remote island. Learn a new skill or hobby. Take up a new hobby or learn a skill you've always been interested in, such as cooking, painting, or playing a musical instrument. Volunteer or give back to your community. Consider finding ways to give back to your community, such as volunteering at a local shelter or joining a community service project. Take up a new physical activity. Start a new physical activity, such as running, yoga, or hiking, to improve your physical health and well-being. Read more books. Make a goal to read a certain number of books in 2023. Or join a book club to discuss your reading with others. Learn a new language. Consider taking a language course or using online resources to learn a new language. Get organized. Make a plan to declutter and organize your home or workspace to improve efficiency and reduce stress. Spend more time with loved ones. Make an effort to connect with loved ones and spend quality time with them, whether in person or through video calls. Try a new type of food. Expand your culinary horizons by trying new types of food or cuisines you haven't tried before. Practice self-care. Take time to prioritize your own well-being and practice self-care activities, such as meditation, exercise, or taking breaks from technology.